Hey there, I just want to do a quick video on putting a trailer hitch on your Yamaha Warrior. I noticed most of these rear skid plates that come on the Warrior, they don't have hitches. This is from a Moto 4. So they made these Moto 4s for a long time. They come with a hitch. It's a much thicker gauge than what I could see on the internet. How do you make it fit? Well, up front here we have two mounting bolts. And the Moto 4, the arms just come out completely flat. So they're flat. I put it in the vise, bent them up, and then twisted them until I got them about right for these mounting points. On the back here, there's huge brackets that come up. That's where it attaches to the Moto. I cut them completely off, lined it up down here, cut the tabs off the top, and then, basically once I had the front arms aligned, put the bolts in, aligned this to where I liked it, so it had the right clearance. Put the tabs down there, which I measured about 1 inch high, tacked them in with the welder, and then took it out, welded those, put an extra weld reinforcement on these bars, and it worked really well. I just took it out for a real big ride with a lot of rocks, and it worked pretty well. The hitch is slightly off angle, but it should work fine. I'm oversimplifying this. I spent hours and hours and hours modifying this, but it does totally work, and it's pretty beefy, and I needed a skid plate, and now it has a hitch. So hopefully you find this interesting, useful. As usual, please consider like, subscribe, check out some of my other content. Really appreciate it. See you in the next one.